Yo, what's up everyone? Good morning. So, sayo kay ko ni mataron kay naami lakaw. Ako di ay char. So, ato kog SM City Cebu at bang di ay. So, this is our last and final acting workshop. So, let's go.